Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to install Syslog in Linux OS. I've created a Linux EC2 instance in my AWS. Now let's connect to the instance and let's install the Syslog in that. To connect to that, click on this EC2 instance and click on connect. Click on SSH client, copy the command. I'm going to use mobile extension today. Or you can also use the bash. And navigate to the folder where I have .bim file and let's paste the command which we copied to connect to the EC2 instance. Yes, we are connected to the instance. Now let me log in as a root user. Now we have to install the dependency repositories first. To do that, I have the command. I will give you all these commands in a GitHub link where you can refer and you can install it on your own. Click on yes. We have downloaded the required package. Now let's navigate to the m.repos.d folder. Yeah, we are inside this. Now let's first install the duplicate package. To do that, type yum install duplicate. Click on yes. Once this is over, now we are going to download the repo for syslog-ng. I have the command. I'll just copy paste it here. Yes, that repo is downloaded. Now let's install syslog-ng. To do that, yum install syslog -ng hyphen type yes. Yes, syslog-ng is installed. Now let's enable syslog and let's start it. To enable that, I'll type systemctl space enable syslog-ng. Now let's start it. Start the systemctl space start syslog-ng. Now let's check if the syslog is up and running. To check the status of the syslog, type systemctl space status syslog -ng. Okay, you can observe that Syslog ng is active and running. So we have successfully installed the Syslog in Linux instance. Thank you.